And here's the part one, fundamental nature of force. First of all, we have to know what is force. Uh, Force is an uh, interaction between two objects. Force is a vector quantity, which means it has three important characteristics. First one is magnitude, second one is direction, and third one is point of applications. So what is magnitude? How strong the force is, and direction, which way the force acts, and points of application is where the force is applied. And what is the key points of this? What is force from? What is force? Is a force cannot exist by itself. It always requires an interaction between at least two objects. Okay, remember these key points. And here is Newton's second law of motion. The most fundamental formula for force comes from Newton's second law, and which is F equals to ma, and here F is force and m is mass and a is accelerations, and units of force is Newton, n, and units of m is kg, and accelerations unit is meter per second square. Okay, understanding the formula, this equation tell us that the net force acting on an object equals the mass of the object multiplied by the its accelerations. Okay, and here's the derivation of F equals to ma, force equals to mass multiply accelerations. Let's understand where is this formula comes from. Step 1, force is proportional to the rate of change of momentum. As you can see here, F equals to, it's a dp by dt. Here's the p is the momentum and t is the time. And what is the momentum is equals to? Momentum, as you know, momentum is equals to m multiply v, where m is the mass and v is the velocity. As you can see here, step 2, momentum is defined as p is equals to mb, where f equals to d into d derivative of mb and divided by dt. Okay, and step 3 is the for constant mass, we can take m out and it will be f m into dv by dt. And since dv by dt is accelerations and f equals to ma. Okay, yeah, here is the MCQ. Practice MCQ question 1. Which of the following statement about force is incorrect? Which one is incorrect? We have to find out. Force is a vector quantity, we know this is the correct, and force can exist indefinitely of materials bodies. I'm not sure yet, but we have to read C and D. The SI unit of force is Newton, and yeah, this is also correct. Force is an interaction between objects. We know this is also correct. That means this is not correct. Okay, yeah.